Hello, it's Marcus, and I will teach you how to make a lot of money, how to make millions of dollars online. Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge inside of you and make a lot of money. You can sell your knowledge out anything. It can be football, trading, knitting, poker, any ability inside of you, you can sell it online and make a lot of money. For example, I have a client of mine, a girl of 50 years old, teaching knitting, and she makes 18K per month, charging 1K his offer. I have another client of mine, helping people growing their YouTube channel, and he makes 200K per month, charging 25K his offer. So basically, how can you start doing this? First step, choose your niche. Choose the knowledge or skill that you will sell to people. So for example, if you help people how to stop drinking alcohol, you start creating YouTube videos about that. You can use other platforms like Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, X, any platform that you want. I recommend YouTube because it's great to have organic traffic and it's great to expose yourself and get clients. So how can you start doing this? Step 1, you start creating YouTube videos about your offer. So for example, if you teach people how to stop drinking alcohol, you start creating YouTube videos about that. Second, once you create your YouTube videos, you will get clients, you will get views. You will convert those viewers into clients. How can you do this? Basically, you will have a funnel inside your YouTube channel. A funnel is like a website but for conversion. So in this funnel, your clients will come book a call with you. So you will create YouTube videos and your clients will book a call with you, and inside that Zoom call, you close the sale. Very important is closing the sale inside the Zoom call. Your first Zoom call with your client is where you close the sale. Never outside the Zoom call. Always inside Zoom call is where you close the sale. If you want to be a master of closing the sale, I recommend to you the book The Secret of Closing the Sale from Ziegler. So you create your YouTube videos, you attract your clients will book a call with you, and inside the Zoom call you close the sale. After closing the sale, you start teaching your knowledge to them. The important thing about this business is charging high prices. For example, at least 3K the value of your offer, not less. Begin with 3K. So, high ticket sales. And this is the magical thing about this business. What this means? For example, if you get 5 clients that pay you 3K per month, that's 15K that you make. Only 5 clients. Earth has billions of humans. 8 billions of humans are on Earth. Can you get 5 people to pay you 3K? Yes, you can. And selling is not a sin. Understanding that we are not playing the YouTuber game. We are not playing the Mr. Beast game. We are playing the money game. And this is the magical thing, the rule of the 1%. What is the rule of the 1%? So, if you get 200 views in a video, for example, and your offer is 10K, with only 2 clients, you will be making 20K per video. So that is the magical thing about this business, the rule of the 1%. An important thing is not creating like fancy videos, double camera, scripting, just normal like these videos, talking one-to-one with your client. And that is the best thing about this business, because for example, I have a client of mine with 4 million followers on Instagram, and he wasn't making 5K, because all the YouTubers you see on YouTube, for example, the famous, are not making that much money that you think, because they are stuck on creator mode, and they are not thinking as a business owner, as a CEO. They are stuck on the view games, and my profession, my help is helping people converting their viewers into clients. But understanding that all the famous people you see on Instagram, on YouTube, are not making that much money because they don't know this information. They don't know how to charge how to sell their product, and they are stuck. So you can sell your knowledge as an info product, as a coaching one-to-one, as a mastermind. There are a lot of type of offers you can make.